Hey everybody, it's Michelle with the Keys Ingredients, and today you and I together will be making butternut squash soup. It's been a Thanksgiving favorite in our house for years. Pureed soups are one of my favorite things to make because not only are they easy on your digestive tract, you can hide all kinds of great stuff in there. Let's get started. Here's what you're going to need: butternut squash, onions, garlic, apples, and carrots. I've used two different varieties, baby carrots and carrot coins, just because it's what I had in my refrigerator, and in the end, it's going in a blender. So my medley here was just drizzled with olive oil, dusted with salt and pepper, and then roasted at 450 for about 20 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and just transfer all of these beautifully roasted vegetables into my chicken broth, and like always, you can substitute out your broths. Chicken is what I had today. So after transferring our vegetables to our broth, we will let that heat up and simmer for about 20 minutes. And then we will transfer it using a measuring cup into, I'm going to use a Vitamix today, but a blender will do the same job. Just remove the top. We're going to take a little bit of broth and a little bit of vegetables together. Pour it on in there. And we're going to puree in small batches. So after your soup has been transferred back into your pot, stir it all together, taste it to see if it needs any more salt or pepper. And then our final chapter, we're going to accessorize. I like to accessorize pureed soups with a little bit of grass-fed butter and or a little bit of organic cream. Coconut milk or almond milk can definitely be substituted here. Last but not least, one last accessory, you can always use fresh herbs. So fresh dill is a great go-to in pureed soups. Flavor is wonderful. On Thanksgiving Day, we saute a little bit of mushrooms, onions, and apples and just top the soup nicely. Just like that, guys, dinner is ready.